Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about how to install Docker on Ubuntu 24.04. As Docker simplifies application deployment in containers, ensuring consistency across environments. First of all, we have to install Docker. We have to update the package index. For that, use this following command. Now, we have to install required dependencies like CA certificates and curl, which are necessary for adding Docker GPG key. For that, use this following command. Now we have to add Docker's official GPG key, as Docker requires a GPG key to verify the authenticity of its package. First, we have to create a directory for the key rings and then download the GPG key and adjust the permissions. For that, I'll use these three commands. Now, we have to add the Docker repository. For that, use this following command. Now, we have to update the package index again. For that, use this command. Now, we have to install Docker. With the repository setup, you can install Docker and its associated components. For that, use this following command. Click on Y and click on enter. Now let's check the installation. Let's see whether it is running or not. For that, use the status command. As you can see, the Docker is active, which means it's running. Now we have to test the Docker installation to ensure Docker is installed and functioning properly. For that, I'll use this command. As you can see, hello from Docker. This is an image which we gave now. Now, if we want to check Docker images and containers, can use this command. As you can see, this is the repository which we gave now. If you want to see all containers, including both running and stopped containers, we can use this command. So this is the hello world image, which is exited 34 seconds ago. So this is how to install Docker on Ubuntu 24.04. Thank you.